Now I am reviewing OnePlus 11R. The display of this smartphone is 6.74-inch Full AMOLED. The display color of this smartphone is 1 billion color. The screen to body ratio 120 Hz HDR10+. The 90% screen to body ratio of the display of this smartphone. The resolution of the display of this smartphone is 1240 by 2772 pixel. PPI density 451. Now I am telling about the operating system of this smartphone, Android 13 Exygen OS 13. The chipset to Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 14nm. The CPU of this smartphone octa-core and the GPU Adreno 730. The memory of this smartphone card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type. And the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone, UFS 3.1. Now I am telling about the main camera of this smartphone are triple camera. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone LED flash HDR in panorama. The video of the main camera of this smartphone 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 240 fps Grio EIS. The selfie camera of this smartphone is also single camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the sound of this smartphone. Loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. The connectivity of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.3A2DP. NFC is available, but the infrared is also available of this smartphone. FM radio is not available of this smartphone. The charging port of USB of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. The battery of this smartphone 5000 non-removable. The charging wire of this smartphone 100 watt. The 5G technology are available of this smartphone. The dual SIM slot is available of this smartphone. The line data was announced of this smartphone on 7 February 2023. There are a different price are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.